Understanding wine glass. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the simple yet elegant phrase, wine glass. We'll uncover its meaning, usage, and a few examples to ensure you grasp it completely. Wine is a popular alcoholic beverage made from fermented grapes. People around the world enjoy wine for its taste and for social occasions. On the other hand, a glass is a transparent or translucent material, and in this context, it refers to a container made of this material. When you combine these two words, wine glass, it refers to a special kind of glass that's designed specifically for drinking wine. A wine glass usually has a 1. Stem, the thin part you hold. 2. Bowl, the top, bulbous part where the wine goes. 3. Base, the flat part that lets the glass stand on a table. The shape and design of wine glasses can vary, but they are typically designed to enhance the aroma and taste of the wine. To help you better understand, here are some example sentences. 1. Could you please hand me a wine glass? 2. She accidentally dropped her wine glass during the toast. 3. Different wines often have different types of wine glasses to bring out their best flavor. We hope this breakdown of the term, wine glass, has been insightful. The next time you're at a dinner party or watching a movie and you see someone holding a slender, elegant glass, you'll know it's a wine glass. Happy learning, and cheers to more knowledge!